Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2014 Dodge Journey and I will show you how to remove and replace the third high beam brake light. This video will apply to Dodge Journeys made from 2011 all the way up to 2020. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, now the first thing you have to do, you have to remove two screws, one here and one on the other side. And to do that, you will need a Torx T20 screwdriver. Once you have these two screws out, then you can remove this complete assembly. You might have to use something like a trim tool just to gently separate it from the tailgate, right? And then just remove it. And now to completely remove this piece, you just have to disconnect it here. So you just want to push onto this black tab right here and pull it away, just like that. Once you have a new assembly, you can just install it the same way. It's quite easy to do. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.